time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and traded in a volatile manner for the first couple of hours of the trading session. Thereafter, it took support near the 40-hour moving average around 73.60, 73.65 odd levels, and thereafter it never looked back and ended the day with a 71-point gain on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was pretty impressive with 1121 advances to 436 declines. Of the Nifty 50 pack, Hindustan Unilever, Reliance, Infosys, Tisco, Tata Steel and Hindalco were some of the major gainers in trade today, while HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, majorly all the heavyweight banking stocks closed in the negative today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has broken above the crucial resistance trend line where it was facing severe selling pressure. In today's trading session also, we saw the selling pressure continue from yesterday. However, the Nifty took support at the 40-hour moving average and only then it started its up move on the upside. Now considering this, the daily momentum indicator still has a negative crossover. However, we feel that this strong price action that we have seen in Nifty today will also reflect on the momentum indicator in the coming trading sessions, and we expect it to turn to the positive side in the coming trading sessions. Now as a result of this, we have changed our short-term trend from down to up with a target of 7700 on the upside and with a reversal placed at 7220. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that during the initial couple of hours, the Nifty faced selling pressure that continued from yesterday, taking support at the 40-hour moving average that was placed at 73.60 odd levels. It then started a fresh move on the upside. Now we can observe that the Nifty is trading along the upper Bollinger Band and the Bollinger Bands are now expanding. So we expect further positive momentum in the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The hourly momentum indicator is about to give a positive crossover. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in a negative today, majorly on the back of some heavyweight banking stocks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Punjab National Bank and Bank of Baroda having closed in the negative today. However, we feel that the Bank Nifty will also catch up with the Nifty in the coming trading sessions, and we expect Bank Nifty also to trade with a positive bias. Now, traders can go long above the swing high of 15,415 on the upside. So in tomorrow's trading session, if we see the swing high of 15,415 being reached on the upside, traders can go long on Bank Nifty with a target of 15,568 and 15,742 on the upside. These are crucial resistances also, and on the downside, crucial supports are placed at 15,100 odd levels and 14,770 odd levels. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty has changed to positive from negative with a target of 7,700 on the upside with a reversal placed at 7220 on the downside. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 7412 and 7375, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. On the upside, resistance is placed at 7500 and 7563. That's all for the day. Thank you.